السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. soo dhawaada saaxiibayaal waxa ku soo dhawaataan Daaruliibaan Academy. casharkeena maanta wuxuu ku saabsan yahay 15 daily use English sentences. 15 jumladood oo daily loo adeegsado ama maalin walba la isticmaalo. You must comply wa ina adeecdid with the rules xeerarka led by a diyaariyeen the committee gudigo. You must comply wa ina adeecdid with the rules xeerarka led by a diyaariyeen the committee gudigo. You should listen wa ina dhageysatid to my advice waanadeyda. You should listen wa ina dhageysato to my advice waanadeyda. He has never deceived me. Ebid moonan I khayaanin. He has never deceived me. Ebid moonan I khayaanin. Everyone ruux walba felt wuxuu dareemay grave calool xumo at his accident shilkiisii. Everyone ruux walba felt wuxuu dareemay grave calool xumo at his accident shilkii u galay. Why sabab are you laughing at me ad igu qosleysaa aniga? Why sabab are you laughing at me ad igu qosleysaa aniga? What is the rate of exchange today? Maanta sarifka meequu marayaa? What is the rate of exchange today? Sarifka maanta meequu marayaa? Where have you been these days? Halkeed ku maqneed maalmahan? I haven't seen you. Maanan ku arkin. Where halkee have you been ad jirtay these days maalmahan? I haven't seen you. Maanan ku arkin. Peel the banana. Fiiq mooska before kahor you eat intaadan cunin. Peel fiiq the banana mooska before kahor you eat intaadan cunin. Do you have enough money? Ma haysataa lacag kugu filan? Do you have enough money? Ma haysataa lacag kugu filan? He died wuxuu u dhintay of cancer. Cancer ayuu u dhintay. After illness uu xanuunsanaa. He died of wuxuu u dhintay cancer after kadib few days illness uu xanuunsanaa muddo yar uu xanuunsanaa kadib. Have you an idea? Ma haysaa fikrad about ku saabsan the election doorashada of Somalia ee Soomaaliya? Have you an idea? Ma haysaa fikrad about ku saabsan the election doorashada of Somalia ee Soomaaliya? How many subjects meeqa maado do you take ad qaadataa each week isbuuciiba? How many subjects meeqa maado do you take ad qaadataa each week isbuuc walba? How is the situation ka waran xaaladda of the country dalka now hadda? How is the situation ka waran xaaladda of the country ee dalka now hadda? What have you prepared for us today? Maanta maxay inoo diyaarisay? What have you prepared for us today? Maanta maxay inoo diyaarisay? Can you please assist me? Fadlan miya caawin kartaa? Can you please assist me? Fadlan miya caawin kartaa? You must comply with the rules led by the committee. You must comply the rules led by the committee. You should listen to my advice. You should listen to my advice. He has never deceived me. He has never deceived me. Everyone felt grave at his accident. Everyone felt grave at his accident. Why are you laughing at me? Why are you laughing at me? What is the rate of exchange today? What is the rate of exchange today? Where have you been these days? I haven't seen you. Where have you been these days? I haven't seen you. Peel the banana. Peel the banana before you eat. Peel the banana before you eat. Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money? He died of cancer after few days. He died of cancer after few days illness. Have you an idea about the election of Somalia? Have you an idea about the election of Somalia? How many subjects do you take each week? How many subjects do you take each week? How is the situation of the country now? How is the situation of the country now? What have you prepared for us today? What have you prepared for us today? Can you please assist me? Can you please assist me?